Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making this no-knead olive bread. This bread is so easy to make and is especially great if you're a beginner baker. Now let's get baking. In a bowl, add 3 cups of flour or bread flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1.5 cup of hot water. The water shouldn't be over 130 degrees Fahrenheit. We're adding in a little bit of sugar and we're using warm water to help the yeast do its work a bit more quickly. Mix everything together, then add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Then mix it all again until everything is well incorporated. Then after that, add in 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley and 1/4 cup of your choice of olives. The good thing about this is you can always add more olives if you want. Then simply just mix everything together, then cover with a plastic wrap or a towel, then let it rest for an hour in your counter or overnight in the fridge. The dough will lightly double in size, but it will still feel sticky and wet, and that's okay. All we have to do is transfer it in a floured surface, then fold the sides in to create a ball. Fold the dough on top of itself, pulling the outer edges up into the center a few times until the dough feels a bit tighter and holds its shape. And that's how we're gonna form a round dough ball without kneading it. Then lightly flour the top of the dough ball and then carefully flip it upside down into a bowl, and then cover again with a towel or a plastic wrap to proof for 30 more minutes. And while the dough is resting, place the Dutch oven inside of your oven, then set oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then after 30 minutes, the dough should be ready and cooked, and the Dutch oven should be warm enough for baking. Then transfer the dough in a parchment paper and score the top lightly. Carefully transfer the parchment paper with the dough inside the Dutch oven, and then cover and bake for 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown. Then carefully remove the lid and bake the bread for another 10 to 20 more minutes until the crust of the bread reaches your desired level of doneness. this bread bakes into the most gorgeous golden crust and soft, flavorful interiors. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you find this very helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of my easy baking videos. Good luck on your baking and see you next time!